Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make your lips look fuller and bigger in simple steps. So just let's get started. So I'm just taking the NYKAA Lipstone Nail Lip Liner in the shade Dirty Secret, but you can take any other lip liner you wish. And now I'm just going to start outlining my lips, and this is my natural lip shape as you can see. And now I'm going to start just outlining my lip lines, and I'm just going to start from my inner corner of my mouth, and I'm just going to follow my natural lip shape, like my natural lip line. And when I reach onto my cupid bow, I'm just going to overline them a little bit just from the cupid bow side, so you can see the effect that it's a little bit pulled up, but this will look really natural and not very unnatural. So I'm just going to do the same thing to the other lip side, and I'm just going to follow the natural lip shape from the sides, and when I reach my cupid bow, I'm just going to overline it a little bit. That's the trick we're going to use to make our lips look fuller and yet so natural, and avoid that fake lip line and overdrawing, because that looks really bad and they tend to smudge as well. So that's what we're going to do. And I also like to create a cross like shape under my cupid bow, because that makes it a little bit more popping and gives some shadow to my lips. So now I'm just going to do the same thing onto my lower lip line, and I'm just going to start by drawing my natural lip shape from my inner corners and pulling the liner towards the center of the lip. And when I reach at the center, I'm just going to overdraw it a little bit just to make an impression of a fuller lip and just connect it with the other side. This is a really simple and easy trick to make your lips look bigger and fuller, and I just love it. And I like to create some shadow, that's why I'm just making some lines onto my lower lip and giving some shadow. So that is also a trick that will help to make your lips look fluffier. So yeah, we are done with lining of our lips. Now let's just move to application of lipstick, and for this I'm using the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. This is a really pretty nude shade, and this is actually a free mini liquid lipstick, but I am planning to order the full size one really soon because I just love this nude shade. And yeah, I'm just applying the liquid lipstick just like I normally would do, but I'm just gonna also apply the liquid lipstick on top of the liner so that the liner does not look like really different from the liquid lipstick. So I'm just gonna kind of merge it with the lipstick and the liner. You can actually use this trick with all types of lipsticks and all colors, but I preferably like to do this with nude lipsticks because I think that the effect of plump and fuller lips looks good with nude lipsticks. But you can just create this with your pinks and reds as well, it's going to look the same. And yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this quick and short tutorial. So yeah, that's how I create the plump effect. Like, I do not do this really often, but whenever I do it, I just love the way my lips look, so I thought of sharing it with you. So I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for new videos every week. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.